Hello everyone and welcome to Digital Realm. Welcome to the realm of me, Prowen. We're back, guys, with a different kind of video. This video, if you will, is a sponsored one. I say sponsored because I was provided these cases for free. And yes, this is a video about the Armadillotek. Now, I did a video about it. I can link it in the description, where we were going through cases that I wanted for the upcoming or now released Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series. I got the 20 Ultra, and back then there weren't any cases out at that present time. Well, since then a lot has happened. Armadillotek finally got theirs in and shipped them, which is awesome, and the usual ones that I get is Spigen released. So I got this in time for release, but I was waiting for the other case. There was the Razer one too I was looking at, however, that one I don't have money for and everything, and Armadillotek did an awesome thing. And if you went on their website, the armadillotek.com, you go on there, you can actually get them, potentially back then, you could have got one free for promotional purposes, which is why I say this videos. I'm going to put down as sponsors. We have a sponsor of Armadillotek who provided these cases for me. Now, I do have two. I don't know how I would necessarily send one during a pandemic, but this is the standard Note, and this is the Ultra. The reason why I'm showing you the Ultra is because I'm going to put this on my case and try it out, comparing it to the Spigen. Now, you can go through my videos, and I'll put another link in the description as well of my Spigen case tests. Pretty much they all feel the same. I love the gunmetal design. I love how thin they are, which is really, really nice. And the kickstand is pretty thin, which I'm hoping, really hoping that this will actually change my mind on using the Spigen case. We'll see. I do bite my nails a lot. I know, kind of gross, but I do, and it's very hard to get that kickstand up. So let's dive on in to what's inside of here. By the way, I do have a note. I'll read it in a minute once I get this out, and I'll go over this company because they didn't put a nice little message in the box. Now, this is we got a little yellow strip right here separating front case from rear case. You can see down here, and okay, so it's one of those like divided ones. Okay, very cool. So this is the case we have right here, and I'll take my Spigen case out in a moment. I can show you a comparison of the two. So we got a little Armadillotek website right here. You can check them out. It says, "Thank you for choosing Armadillotek. We are a small startup from Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas. We are aimed to engineer products that will keep your electronic devices safe from damages during your daily grinds and outdoor adventures. We offer a 1-year limited warranty on our products. The warranty will cover free replacements for damaged parts, except for the screen protector. To activate your warranty, please visit the website, Armadillotek. I'll put it in the description. For faster service or other inquiries, please contact us via email, support@armadillotek.com. Now, they put this nice little letter in to the post right here. And the gentlemen's names are Jeff and Carl. I had the pleasure to speak with Carl through email. Very nice chap. And we have right here an installation video. What's going on? The kickstand. And another thing too, which is absolutely awesome of this company. Proceeds go to UNICEF. You can see right here. So it doesn't want you to report from Amazon, so this is where they shipped it to me, was through Amazon. But yes, they actually put proceeds towards UNICEF. UNICEF is an international charity which focuses on improving lives of impoverished children and mothers in over 190 countries and territories. We here at Armadillotek, this is what they're saying, believe in UNICEF's mission, and as such, a portion of our profits get donated to them. So, if you want to help out a company, Armadillotek, and you want to help out a charity, UNICEF, that's helping out children and mothers across 190 different countries and territories, this is a great company to do it. Now, how is the actual case? Well, Fitting in my hand, it definitely feels pretty sturdy. Let me pop out my Spigen one. So this is my Spigen tough armor. They both have the same kind of resistance, if you will, if I'm squeezing them. I'm going to slide this phone in. Now I do need to separate this, so they just break away right like so. Okay, so power button goes on nicely. We have our volume rockers. And we have no button on this side. They got rid of the buttons on this side. Just the same as these. So as I'm fitting it, here is the thickness of the two. So it is slightly thicker than that of the Spigen one. I wouldn't necessarily say it's double by chance, but it is slightly thicker. I don't know if I can get that, not to show it properly. Just it has raised it a little bit though. So you see it a little bit. It's like a little bit taller as it sits inside of there. So we have the top, the bottom here. We have access to charging, which is sealed up, which is something that this one doesn't have. Now I do, or have noticed, at least using Spigen cases, that there is dust that builds up in here. So this little tab right here is actually really nice to have, to keep that USB-C port protected. You can see there's actually pretty thick right here of the vents or the covers, and it actually has a nice little opening right here, so you can get to the S Pen. So even someone like me who bites their fingers, you can get to that pretty easy. Whereas for this one, you can see right here, there is none of that. So you do have to put your finger in and really get in there. So hopefully they have nails. So I'm actually, I wasn't sure how I was expecting about it, but I'm actually really liking this case. I mainly got it because back then I was, well, I still haven't got money right now, but I mainly hit them up because I wanted to try out different cases other than Spigen. I thought I'd try out different ones, and I just noticed the camera bump. So this one, it comes flush. With Spigen, it comes flush. However, with this one, as you can see, it kind of almost just goes inside, like it's raised. So it doesn't come flush like this one did. It came flush with this, so almost right on it. This one though, it's almost raised, like it's inside of there. It fits kind of nicely inside. Now I'm pretty sure there was only one like color type of them, but let me see if I can get access to this kickstand. Bam! No nails, kickstand. This one, it's hard. You need to use a nail. So you can see how flush that is in there. Oh, that's nice. That's got that. I'm pushing on that. That's actually really nice. So you got to flip this little bit right here. There's like a little. You see right here? This is actually what's stopping it from going down. So if you want to push it down, so like as I said, I was pushing on that. You want to lift this up and in. So again, push up and in. There's a nice little clippy bit right here. You can see that. You can put your finger in. That's nice. I like that. And you can have it stand up right here. You can have it stand upwards. And what I usually do with this one is I hold it like this. With this though, that creates a nice little handle right here to hold on to. So I actually like that quite a bit. So I'm gonna rock this. I've had the phone for what, a month or so? So I will report back to you guys in like a week or so time, a couple of weeks. I'm going to try it out with this. As I said, it is a little bit more thicker compared to this. Compared to the Spigen. It's a little thicker. The buttons, I actually quite like the buttons as well. How these ones are kind of just like flush, they just go along. Sometimes I can't find them because I'm not sure which is like the up and down, the volume rockers. So I usually feel the power, which is this like little textured piece, and I go down. Whereas this is a very distinct buttons, so you definitely know where your fingers are on here. Yeah, I really like that. That's nice. I actually really do prefer this texture over a button for the power, which is what you're mainly going to be using. But yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Again, these were given to me for free. But yes, I'm going to put the website up for you all. Okay, so we check out the website, Armadillotek. We can actually see there are different colors. So they say it's sold out. I got this over on Amazon. This is where the company directed me to. This is their actual website, armadillotek.com, which is this right here. If you want to go and check them out. There's different colors, as you can see. There's different ones from black, red, purple, and it looks like orange, yellowy orange, which is pretty nice. I actually would have really liked that red one. That would have been cool. My wife loves purple. She would probably get that purple one. But yeah, like I really appreciate Armadillotek for giving these out for free. I do have another one now. Again, I don't know if I want to send it out through the post and everything like that with current situations going on. But if you are interested, I will keep this video up, of course. And if you haven't hit me up by the time we do the live stream for Genshin Impact, which is on the 27th, Sunday, so it's like pretty much like a week. If you haven't hit me up by then I probably won't do like a giveaway or raffle or anything like that, and I'll probably give it to someone at work once we're back and open. I'm sure they would want a case to protect their phone, especially since we'll be working again. But if you are interested, hit me up in the comments below. I will put everyone who comments on this video in the comments. I will put them in a raffle, and I will pull you out during the live stream of Genshin Impact this coming Sunday, the 27th. It goes live at 6. I'll be streaming all day, and yes, you could potentially win, if you're interested, a case. This is a standard Note 20, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G. It's the standard one, and I will ship that to you. I will just probably need like what, $4, $5 for a shipping fee if you are interested in that. So I'm being straight up. You have to pay for the postage because I have no money. But you do get a free one, and if you look at this price is $30, so you're still saving a lot. You're just paying for postage, and you can just do it through like PayPal or something like that. But yeah, what do you think of that, everyone? This is really, really cool. I'm going to be keeping it in the case now and rocking it through there. The Spigen's going to take a little bit of a backseat. Now this isn't necessarily it is a little bit of a comparison, but it's not like you should buy this over Spigen. No, it was just I had a Spigen case, and I just showing you the comparison between something I've been rocking for a while and testing it out against the Armadillotek. So yes, nice job, Armadillotek. Very, very nice. This is the letter that they put. Oh, that's weird. This is the letter, guys. So it says, howdy. It says, thank you for shopping at us. We really appreciate it. We're from Dallas, Texas, as I mentioned earlier in that little leaflet, and we strive to provide you a reliable protection with affordable price. With us, you can explore more, wider, further without concerns. And because they handwrote it, it's kind of hard to read a little bit, so apologies for that. Armadillotek Inc. is a small business founded by two outdoor geeks. We have skyboard, hiking, and horse riding. We're experts about rough activities and how to protect digital dailies. It says, yep, after dozens shattered phones, we have become experts. We offer 1-year warranty, which I'm going to sign up for, and all of our products please make sure you go to our website, armadillotek.com, to register your warranty. If you have any questions or problems, please kindly contact us. We'll provide you a 100% satisfaction solution. If you like our product, please don't hesitate to share your fittings online, which I'm doing right here. And we donate a portion of our profits to help charities. The UNICEF, we will receive the donations. Sincerely, Jeff and Carl. And that's the charity that helps children and women across 190 countries and territories. That is really, really good. That's really fantastic. So you can go and check them out. Description link in the description for Armadillotek, for this case. And don't forget, if you want to get your hands on the Note 20, not the Note 20 Ultra, but the Note 20 case, let me know in the comments below within this week, because I will be posting it, the raffle Sunday when we're live. Where we do a raffle for everyone who puts their comment below and would like to be in a chance for this giveaway. So, and I will give you my thoughts as well that first week and how it is. And I'm really liking the feel. It does feel chunky. It does feel like a lot bulkier than this, but it's a protective phone, and I can see already that it is heightened, just like this one is a little bit. It comes out a little bit, but I really like that casing in the back here with the camera. I actually really enjoy the thickness of it. My finger isn't going over the camera, which happens a lot with this one. Because of how slidey that back texture is, my finger does come over. Having a better grip with this is a nice grip right here. This is nice. My finger doesn't come over, like it sits right here. Actually, it sits on the power button right there, which is nice. I really enjoy the little cover down here. I enjoy the slit for the Note Pen or the S Pen compared to this, and I really like being able to get to that kickstand. I really like that a lot compared to this, which is really tucked up and I have no nails to get to it. So yeah, they are my thoughts on the Armadillotek case. These are the 2 cases out of 3 that I was looking at the previous cases for wanting to review, wanting to actually rock for my Note 20 Ultra. So the last one left is Razer, which I won't be getting until I get some money coming through, or I get back into work and stuff like that. So it'll be a little while until we get that video. But I super appreciate everyone being here within the channel. Pretty appreciate you all being here within the realm. And don't forget, if you want yourself a Note 20 case from Armadillotek, I can send you it. Just if you can cover the shipping, depending on how much the shipping is, everything. If you cover the shipping for $5, I'll pay the rest. I can ship it to you, and it's going to be in your hands. Just put it in the comments below that you'll be interested, and you'll be getting in the drawing on Sunday when we are live. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. You were absolutely fantastic. Thank you all for subscribing to the channel. Crushing it. We've just got over 120 subscribers, and it's super awesome. I really appreciate it, and I will see you again within the realm again real soon. Alright everyone, until next time, Johnny, bye. Stay safe out there everyone.